So in this video, I would like to show you how Duolingo works. And when I log in, this is how my home page looks like. This is the language I have chosen. I could also add a new course. I could, for example, choose the German language if I want to learn more about German. And here you have some facts about the German language. However, now I would like to skip this part and go back to my French language. You see that I have 36 crowns, and each skill that you see here, they have crown levels associated with them. So when you level up a skill, you earn a crown. And then the types of exercises you see will get harder. And you can earn up to 5 crowns per skill. Duolingo also have a currency called lingots. And the more you learn on Duolingo, the more lingots you'll receive, and you will be able to use them in the store. You could do some power-ups. You could freeze your streak, which allows 1 full day of inactivity. Or you could attempt to double your 5 lingot wager by maintaining a 7-day streak. If you got 30 lingots, you may get some bonus skills. You can buy them. You may learn some French idioms, or you could learn about how to flirt in French. I want to go back to my home page, and I did some basic training today. I will continue. I think I will continue where I stopped. Okay, so this exercise wants me to match the pairs. So I know that je and I means the same, and
homme, fille, un.
And as you can hear, the pronunciation of the French words are present.
Je suis Paul.
Okay, which means match the pairs once more.
Femme, chat.
Homme. Je. Garçon.
Je,
Okay, so now I hear
je,
which means I. So now I'm going to write this English sentence in French.
Je suis Paul.
So an applaud for me having 5 in a row. That's good. Fill in the blanks. Okay. So it's un, et un homme.
une, une,
Write this in French. A woman and a girl.
Une femme et une fille.
Read and respond. Je suis Félix. Je suis un chat. Félix est un animal.
Une femme. Une femme. Un garçon et une fille.
Which means a boy and a girl.
Je suis une fille. Je suis une fille.
Okay.
Je suis une fille.
Okay, so now it gets a bit harder. Okay. Write this in French. I am a girl. Okay. Je suis une fille. So now I have reached my daily goal. And now I've earned 4 lingots. Perfect. So if I continue now, I will probably manage to jump to level 2, where it gets even harder, the exercises. Okay, this was to show you a little bit about how Duolingo works, and as you can see, there are different skills down this homepage tree, and I also have 9 lingots now. And the flame indicates the streak. If you complete the lesson every day, you get the new flame.